Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your iPhone's Face ID stopped working after updating to iOS 26, don't worry, you are definitely not alone. A lot of users are facing this issue. And in this video, I am going to show you some easy step-by-step solution to fix it. So let's start the video. Solution 1. Check Face ID settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone's passcode. After that, make sure iPhone unlock, App Store and other toggles are turned on. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. If Face ID is still not responding properly, try resetting it. Go to Settings. Tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset Face ID. Then tap Setup Face ID and follow the instructions. Solution 3. Reset all settings. If the problem started after the iOS 26 update, resetting settings might help. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Then tap Reset to confirm. This won't delete your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi, Face ID and other system settings. And that's it. These are the best way to fix Face ID not working after the iOS 26 update. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.